Lots of renovations going on, huh?
There's the elevator.
Thank you. Are they gonna modernize this elevator in the renovations?
Yeah.
Do you know who's gonna upgrade it?
Cavender.
Cavender? So when is this gonna be modded?
Sometime this month and next month.
Oh yeah, you can hear the relays and stuff clicking. Listen. Guessing someone took it up. So this place is being totally redone and everything? Yep. Wow. Alright, it's gonna come down. Let's listen. And here it is. Oh, wow. Thanks for holding the door, just showing the cab. Wow, I can see part of it's been taken apart. All right, I'm just gonna go up and back down.
You can't be in the building because there's a lot of construction.
Okay. Oh, I can't go up? All right. Well, yeah. Well, thanks for letting me see it though, at least. All right, I'll just watch it close. Thank you.